What kind of fucked up world we stay in? You think the world is run by intelligent people? I can't get a loan from the bank because I've never taken a loan. What kind of fucked up rule is that? Your civil score is not good because you don't have any previous history of loan, and we can't give you loan because you don't have a previous history of loan. How does one get it for the first time? These are intelligent people running your monetary funds, your banking systems. यहाँ दूसरे चुतिया पे कास्ट वाइज चल रहा है 2025 में. डोंट यू हैव अ कॉमन सेंस टू अंडरस्टैंड योर एंसेस्टर्स फक्ड अप? तुम्हारे जो भी ये रूल्स हो तुम्हारे एंसेस्टर ने बनाए थे ना, ब्राह्मण बहन जो चूतियों ने. डोंट यू फकिंग अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स? What kind of world are you staying in? Do you ever question the world you stay in? The motherfucking dumb people. All you are happy is your bread and your cake. I've been shouting for months to people that come on, get out of your own small bubble, and there is a big world out there, and you are fucking responsible for that world. You are here on rent. The land does not belong to you, it belongs to the universe. And humans are just one of the billion species. You don't have it. Who just because white people said that humans are at the top of hierarchy, you get everything. What the fuck you have made of this world? Everywhere there is a division. You have even managed to divide the gender too amongst yourself. Humans have fucked this planet for a long time. And I won't let it happen now. You see this hand? This contains the power to run this universe. And there is no shitting, no joking. All these previous structure that was entertained by the energies above is gone now. Anybody suppresses anybody, they will see what you called a judgment day and night, and every night I can create a judgment night. तुम्हारे अल्लाह लेवल को मैं चूतिया लेवल समझता हूं. डू यू गेट इट? आर यू गेटिंग इट? वेयर आई एम? Shiva is scared of this stair. Your God is scared of me. You get that? All your gods. I've just been trying to be nice and nice and nice, softly trying to tell you go out, help people, help people, help you motherfucking idiots. तुम पढ़ाई लिखाई करके रूम पे बस अपनी गाड़ी खरीदने के लिए बैठे हुए हो गधो. डोंट यू हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स द वर्ल्ड? नो फकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तुम्हारी चार दीवार है, तुम्हारा घर, तुम्हारा म्यूचुअल फंड, तुम्हारा. कभी ऊपर देखा है? डू यू थिंक ह्यूमंस आर अ सेग्रीगेटेड पार्ट, अ स्पेशल पार्ट जो सब कुछ उनके लिए होगा? Your every system is fucked up. Right from your politics to your so-called educated society, the worst kind. किसी चार गधों ने चार किताबें लिखी, वो एक गधे के कॉलेज में वही पढ़ा रहे हो किताबें, फिर वही रिपीट हो रहा है, फिर वही बातें कर रहे हो. हैव यू डग इनटू ट्रूथ योरसेल्फ? यू हैवंट. Nobody has. You always keep some superior. I only answer to the universe. No authority I care for. Absolutely no authority. I'm Rajneesh Chaube. I'm in this part of the universe which you have made a boundary called India. I don't give a fuck to the countries or the continents or any of your structure. Any of your structure, I don't give a fuck to. This has all been stupid human. Don't you see it? Am I the only one seeing how fucked up institutions are? Left, right, all of them trying to prove. How many times I have to repeat? It's a pendulum. If there is a left, there has to be right. For everything there has to be opposite. Just that you like this side does not mean the opposite is wrong. You have your preference, stay on your side, but don't fucking debate is the stupidest thing ever made by humans. Can't you sit and discuss and talk? I'm tired of white stupidity and people everywhere following that. This will go on for a while because I think humans need to understand. This is my piss because it's part of my body. It was water. This is water. This goes inside your body. This is your body. This is your body. This is your soul. Okay, and you hate this. You want this. It does not work like that. You have to accept both too. Both these you have to accept. The front and the back. You consider this as a god. That's your problem. And this as a devil. These are two ends. If this is white, this is black. If this is good, this is bad. But bad does not mean good and bad is a wrong way of looking at it. Between these two ends, I am there. तुम्हारे जितने भगवान भगवान है ना वो यहाँ पे बीच में कहीं पे है. मैं यहाँ हूँ. Beyond these two ends. Do you understand? Infinity minus infinity plus infinity. That's me. I've traversed the whole, and my pendulum moves and then you move. Fucking idiots. Humans were given capacity to think. And what you thought? Slavery, killing people, educated people fucking living in their white castle talking about how great they are. Your institutions, all fucked up institutions, teaching stupid shit made by white people everywhere in the world. अंदर झांको. See inside, see within yourself, all your answers. Everybody is a universe's. Your genes have the birth of the universe. It's there. This is the CPU that has everything. This heart has collected all the feelings since the beginning of the universe. It is still there inside you. And what do you fight over? Caste, gender. I can be a girl. I can be a fucking guy. I can do it. Like, I have the grace. But I don't fucking want to be that graceful with you idiots right now. Because I was trying this language, please guys. Yeah. करना चाहिए ना हमें. But that language does not fucking work with you people. I've tried so many different ways. But this fucking humanity keeps on upsetting me every single day. This is a product of nature. And if somebody discovered a way of smoking, that means nature wanted you to smoke this. ज्यादा कम तो तुम्हारी बॉडी के ऊपर है यार. आई एम फॉकिंग 40. आई रन फॉर 20 kilometers every day. I smoke 2 packets every day. My body is fitter, flexible. Anything you say. I can climb trees. I can run around, play cricket. टीवी में कुछ भी चूतिया पे देख लेते हो तुम उसको नॉलेज मान लेते हो. नॉलेज नॉलेज मीन्स व्हाट यू हैव लर्न ऑन योर ओन. जहाँ पे डेटा पॉइंट्स तुमने डिसाइड करा, फॉर्मूला तुमने डिसाइड करा, और फाइनली नॉलेज डॉक्टरेट लोग नहीं. एवरीबडी हैज access to the infinite knowledge outside, and you just have to go and get it. Observe the nature. Every place you sit is a lab. This is a lab. I'm constantly researching with things, with vibes, with colors. What is this? Is this feminine? And what does this make me more man? What kind of and एडुकेशन अनएडुकेशन का हटा देता हूं मैं एक बार. लेट मी एड्रेस द होल ह्यूमैनिटी. तुम क्या हो? स्पेशल हो? तुम जुपिटर प्लैनेट से ज़्यादा स्पेशल हो? तुम मून से ज़्यादा स्पेशल हो कि तुम एस्टेरॉइड से ज़्यादा स्पेशल हो? डू यू थिंक वी वर बोर्न आउट ऑफ अ डम मीन्स हम क्या? इट्स लाइक सी हाउ यू people now तो almost everybody has this western education. How you see it as कि अचानक इंसान बन गया और इंसान बहुत स्मार्ट है. How can you be intelligent if you didn't come from an intelligent being? We come from intelligence. The intelligence you can't see. It's in waves. But your heads are not open because of your ego. So you don't see universe. You don't feel universe. Every movement around you is so called sacred in your language. टेम्पल्स में जाते हो, अरे हर जगह ही टेम्पल है ना. किसी भी पेड़ के नीचे टेम्पल है. वेयर यू बिलीव एनर्जी विल कम देयर. You don't have to go there. You just have to be open to those energies around you. Yeah, somebody is saying, how can you be so intolerant if you have found God and all? No, because your God is only this. My God is both devil, in your language and God. Got it? This is the entire universe in front of you. Can you bridge this gap and be comfortable with this glass in your hand and this piss comfortably drinking? It's tasty. It has to because I've accepted it. Got it? While you are in your sexual fantasy, you don't mind licking each other at those places where the same thing is there, right? But in other times, it's disgusting, right? It's so disgusting. You all are disgusting. You made a mockery out of this beautiful human experience that universe has gifted us. Beautiful landscapes. और आपस में लड़ाई कर करके ताले बंद कर करके बर्बाद करे इंडी ईस्टर वेस्ट इंडिया इज द बेस्ट ग्रेट अमेरिका इट्स वन वर्ल्ड is the water in India different from the water in US? Is your blood any different? And you have to trace it to the same ancestry, right? Even if you talk about your dumb methods. And this goes out to all the universities out there. Dig in deep. पुराने लोगों ने जो उठाया उसमें तुम एक लेयर ऐड करते रहते हो, खुश होते रहते हो कि तुम्हारे इकोसिस्टम में पैसे कमाने का, आपस में एक दूसरे को तारीफ करने का, नोबेल प्राइज दे देते हो. Pathetic, you humans. You're so pathetic. I feel like spitting on you. This is for the entire human clan, including your gods, okay? एंड दिस इज फॉर योर गॉड्स इन केस तुम्हें बुरा लग जाए तो बुला दे तो ये तुम्हारे भगवान अल्लाह जीसस बुद्धा सब ठीक है. क्या कर लोगे मेरा नहीं कर सकते कुछ चाह के भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज आई आंसर टू द यूनिवर्स. यूनिवर्स टेक्स केयर ऑफ मी. यू गेटिंग कैन यू से दिस स्टेटमेंट यूनिवर्स टेक्स केयर ऑफ मी. यूनिवर्स इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तुम्हारा कौन होगा मोदी होगा पुतिन तक होगा कौन होगा यूनिवर्स से ज़्यादा पावरफुल तो नहीं होगा ना. आई स्पीक टू प्लैनेट्स आई कम्युनिकेट विद स्टार्स जो ऊपर है ध्रुव तारा की बात कर रहा हूँ. वीनस दोस्त है. आई लुक अप and smile and they smile back. Have you looked up and smile at the void? Can you feel universe patting you all the time? Because universe is patting you all the time, always encouraging you. But what are you doing with that? Creating ways of we humans have become so greedy, so selfish, so money minded. Money is just a number. I keep on explaining. A number made for to control the abstract that could be possible with this complex human brain. Numbers are those lines you draw to control the abstract. Whosoever does not fit into your basic stupid rules of any state or country, you consider them an outsider or an idiot. How do Americans have a problem with others coming in? Fucking your country developed because the people from outside came in, okay? Basic white people don't have that intelligence. Let me be very, very honest. All the intelligence you borrowed from, and most people would not understand, but all our energies the interest. तुम वहाँ पे जो ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम है कोई जाके क्वीन को पूछो क्यों उठा के लाए थे वो सब. डू यू थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ डेकोरेशन? देवर एनर्जी सोर्सेज मेड बाय एंटिटीज एवरीवेयर ऑन द प्लैनेट. उन्होंने अफ्रीका से उठाया है, इंडिया से उठाया, हर जगह से उठाया. दो चार बातें पढ़ लो. अरे भाई तुम्हें एबीसीडी पढ़ा दिया गया ना, पहले तो सारा पढ़ लो जो है, ठीक है. उसके बाद अपनी जर्नी शुरू होती है जो जीरो से स्टार्ट होती है. इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वट एवर योर फकिंग टैग इज ऑन आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड कि मैं MIT से हूँ हार्वर्ड से हूँ कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ठीक है. सेम होता है. खुद जाके सीकिंग आउट आंसर्स. वी आर अ स्पीसीज विथ ब्रेन. और तुम ब्रेन का क्या करते हो? Such low aspirations you guys have to make money and have cars and houses and have sex. Like, how low? You can have a transcendental experience every second the way I have. To be here on the video and say anything. This freedom is given by the universe. I'm a representation of universe. Can you say this? If you can say this, you are also. I'm not having a copyright on universe, but I am universe. Can you confidently look into your camera and say I am universe? If you can't, you are not. Means you don't accept yourself as part of this universe. You trust your parents or friends and all. I trust the entire cosmos to take care of me. And it does. I get everything I want. This was the test. Can you accept your body? वही है ना, कंपनी में रिसाइकल करते हो ना, प्लास्टिक की कंपनी है, प्लास्टिक का वेस्ट निकलता है, उसको वापस डालते हो ना, क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा प्लास्टिक रहता है. This is the purest thing that you can consume. It's in your head that you can't. I'm clean as it gets. This does not make me dirty. If it is dirty, then you're always dirty, right? It's inside your body. तो तुम अपने शरीर के अंदर को गंदा मानते हो, तो तुम जब गंदा ही मानते हो तो गंदे हो तुमने वाटर और नाले में सेपरेशन कर दिया. वाटर एंड एक वहां से वाटर आता है जिसके आगे तुम फोटो खिंचवाते हो, सेल्फी खिंचवाते हो, दूसरा नाला है जिसको तुम इग्नोर करते हो. एंड यू गिव इट टू पीपल you don't want to meet also. And we have somehow made it acceptable. Educated people, I've got friends जिन्होंने engineering करी है, MBA करे, still fucking they believe in this caste system. I'm not saying people are there right or here wrong. I'm saying this system is wrong. The idea of a woman always staying inside, yeah, if a woman prefers to be at home, but so can a man. As a man, I prefer being alone and working. Does that make me a woman? If it does, great. I would love to be a woman because they are better. My mom stands by me. My mom is the only female who stood by me in my journey. All those fucking idiot men did not. No, there are guys who, my students, who really supported me in this journey of me traveling across, seeking answers with the universe. Because women understand infinity much better than men in general. There are men who understand. I have few friends, Harsh and all, who understand infinity. But generally, men are very bad at understanding that it's infinite. They want to immediately close it. They find a little, they want to make it into a project and make so that they can feel better about themselves. That's what most men are about, feeling better about themselves. That's their highest high. कि मैंने उसके लिए कर दिया. No भैया, you are not a man enough for me. मैं से ज़्यादा मैन हूँ. मैं दुपट्टा पहना हुआ, हाँ लड़की का है. Does it make, if you wear all grungy look with black t-shirt and jeans, does that make you more man? Your idea of man is so Harley Davidson and all, right? How do I talk to these idiots with a lower IQ than a mouse? Do you think animals are not intelligent? A cow that sits at the same place in that 5 meter radius we have given it to you, constantly chewing, all the senses open, looking at you. Do you think they're not intelligent? Try it. Try to live with a 10-meter radius. A rat that cleans up your whole thing. हमारी सिस्टम मैंने देखी है, हमारी रिसाइकलिंग सिस्टम है. Rats come, pick, choose, clean apart. They aren't intelligent. Have you seen a spider web close? I have never seen a human structure as beautiful. Somehow, it's like so pathetic humans. Artists keep saying that we take it from nature, and these idiots with MBAs and all, they keep, like, MBA might be, the course might be just 100 or 120 odd year old, but that concept has always been, right? Okay, we will manage the earth. Earth does not need your management. Do you think the hum, look into your own mirror? Sometimes you look into the mirror and talk to yourself, guys. You'll understand how pathetic you humans are. I don't really consider myself a human because I know I'm a superior species. आ जाओ, किसी को भी किसी चीज़ पे बात करनी, मेरे बगल में बैठोगे पता चल जाएगा. Animals come to meet me. And I'm showing this with some vanity because I'm fucking pissed off, man. My whole. I had one statement for the universe. Can we have no one hating no one? And then the universe told me about its own pain of making humans and humans betraying it. Universe wanted to experience itself. And in that process, humans got made. And what we did, we kept dividing each other. Because that's what white people learned. Sorry, but white people, you need to take this. If you understood, you would have. But nobody shouts, right? You keep on fucking sending your own problems to rest of the world and calling it care. It's time you look back into your own history and understand the damage. I'm a Brahmin. I have done nothing wrong, but my ancestors did, right? So I'm paying for it. I'm trying to correct it. What do you guys do? तुम अपनी बैटल ही और बढ़ाते रहते हो, योर हाईली प्रिविलेज बैटल्स. What is it making you comfortable or uncomfortable? The color is good, but I've added an information that normally would disgust you. I pray to everything in the universe, okay? Your God only cares for one side, the white. I care for both the sides, the white and the black. I'll just let it go on for another 50 seconds because it's a prayer. I was asked by the universe to take a break, take a prayer, and then close. This is a message from the universe. Universe always speaks. Every single line you see anywhere, anything you see is a message from the universe. Just the now message is pretty clear, straightforward, a human speaking in the language you guys understand. Yeah, I guess that is it. If you understand something, understand this is an act. I'm Rajneesh Chaubey. I'm CEO of the Vibe Foundation, a foundation that works in rural India with females, basically primarily. The purpose being to take care of the females who have, been left behind because years of stupid patriarchy.